So it begins with कृष्ण सखा मिल गई ग्वालन, जब हीरत पीरत घर देख लियो, तब ग्वाल के कांधे षण माखन उतार लियो, झट खाए गयो। तदखी मटकी छटकी पटकी, दूध पी के बिखेर दियो, पकड़ लियो राधा ने जब तक ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो। किट थे ताथे ताथे, किट थे ताथे ताथे, किट थे ताथे ताथे धा। So what you have to do now, you just have to stand on your places and take a little bit space with you and make Utpatti Mudra like this. Utpatti Mudra like this. And here is Ritika and Ira. They will help you out with me. So we are going to start. So first wordings are Krishna Sakha mil gaye gwalan. It means Lord Krishna with his friends, they met together. Mil gaye gwalan, jab हीरत फीरत घर देख लियो. They are finding the makhan. Makhan means butter. They are finding the makhan everywhere, that if they get something to eat, some makhan to eat. So the first movements are, we are standing like this. First we are going to start Krishna Sakha. How's Krishna Sakha? I just need to know if my voice is audible or not. I just need to know, is it audible? Okay, fine. So the first movement is Krishna Sakha. What do you have to do now? You have making this Utpatti Mudra here. Okay? You have to place your left hand here in front of your mouth and right hand here. And this right hand is opposite. Okay? Now, what we are doing, Krishna Sakha. Watch the movement carefully. Krishna Sakha. It is coming from this side to this side. Yeah? Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Krishna Sakha. First movement is clear. Then Mil Gaye Gwalan. What you have to do? Mil Gaye Gwalan. Right? We are doing it together now. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Krishna Sakha Mil Gaye Gwalan. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Then, next is Jab Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. Now, the Lord Krishna is finding the makhan, the butter, over some places. Okay? Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. What you have to do? Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. Now that smile, he's getting the makhan. He found it. Okay, that smile should be there. Okay, Hirat Firat again. 1, 2, 3, start. What are the steps of the feet? Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. Again, 1, 2, 3, and go. Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. Now, from the starting, 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, start. Krishna Sakha Mil Gaye Gwalan, Hirat Firat Ghar Dekh Liyo. Now, the Gwal ke kaandhe षण माखन. Asha, I just need to know, what do you mean by Gwal? What do you mean by Gwal? What do you mean by Gwal? Let us see who tells us first. What do you mean by Gwal? Gwal ke kaandhe षण माखन. Anybody knows? Gwal. Okay, I'm telling. You girls know what is Gwal? Yes. What? Come in front first. What is Gwal? Gwal ke kaandhe. What do you mean by Gwal ke kaandhe?
The friends of Krishna.
friends of Krishna, right? Ritika, the friends of Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the friends of Krishna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Now, what you have to do, you have to turn your left side and you have to make the stairs. ठीक है, ग्वाल के कांधे. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. ग्वाल के कांधे. It's stairs. Okay, we are making stairs over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Now, what do you have to do? You have to stand on the toes and आपको ऊपर से नीचे माखन उतारना है. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. चढ़े माखन उतार लियो. Now खाए गयो. खाए हुए in front. खाए गयो. Then Is it clear? We are doing it from the starting now. Okay, you girls will see. We will do together. 1, 2, 3, and go. Very good. Next, now if anybody is having doubt in this match, you can ask. You can ask by your comments. You can ask by question mark. You can ask by writing over here. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? This much is clear. I hope it's clear. So we are doing it from the starting now. Okay. I will speak, you will do. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You just have to learn the wordings also so that it can be clear in your mind. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go. Krishna Satha Mil Daivala Jab Kirat Virat Khaliyo Tab Gaye Kandhe Chad Maakhan Utar Liyo Chhat Khai Gayo Tadeki Mateki Chateki Pateki Dood Pee Ke Bikher Liyo Tab Pakad Liyo Rakha Ne Chab Tak Baal Baal Sab Bhag Gayo Kit Thay Ta Thay Ta Thay Kit Thay Ta Thay Ta Thay Kit Thay Ta Thay Ta Thay Ha. Okay, we were on do the PK Bikher. Now from here, okay? Teachers can also join and the parents can also join the session. I hope this session is very helpful for you all. But I cannot see the comments. Okay. Now do the PK Bikher. 1, 2. What you have to do? You have to make this thumb over here. Like we are giving the thumb to somebody. Okay. What you have to do? You have to make thumb on both the hands and you have to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the step of do the PK Bikher. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Do the PK Bikher. Done? Again. 1, 2, 3, start. Do the PK Bikher. Now next. Now Pakad Liyo Radha Ne Jab Tak. Okay. Now Radha has came and she's holding the ears of Kanha, Lord Krishna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Pakad Liyo. Now you are holding the ears of Lord Krishna. So some angriness should be there on your face. Okay, not a smile. Some agriness should be there on your face. 1, 2, 3, and go. Pakad Liyo Radha Ne Jab Tak. Show the slab and you have to look here. Okay, because Lord Krishna is here. You are holding the ears from here and the Lord Krishna is here. You have to show the slap to him. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Ram, Tham, Ning, Shab. Now, Gwal Gwal is the Bhag Gayo. Gwal Gwal means friends. Okay? They run away. 1, 2, 3. Again I am doing. Watch it carefully. 1, 2, 3. Start. Gwal Gwal. Sat Gayo. Again. 1, 2, 3 and go. Gwal Gwal. Sat Gayo. 2 rounds and Bhag Gayo. Okay? Can we do this much now? Okay? Can we do this much now?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3 and go. Speak and do. 1, 2, 3 and start.
Krishna Sakha mil gaye gwal.
Very good.
Jab तीरथ पीरथ देख लियो तब ग्वाल ठिकाने चढ़ माथे
उतार लियो झट खाए गयो
सदकी
मटकी
झटकी पटकी दूर पी
के पीछे दियो
तब पकड़ लियो राधाने जब तक
ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो. Now, kit thai ta thai ta thai. What do you have to do now? Kit thai ta thai ta thai. Kit thai ta thai ta thai. Kit thai ta thai ta thai tha. Before that, you have to learn the wordings. Okay? If you have pen or pencil, you can write somewhere. Okay? I'm speaking it again. Okay? You can write somewhere. If you have pen or pencil in notebook, you can write it there. I'm speaking again from the starting. You girls can come in front. We can speak together. Okay? Come in front. We can speak together. From with the task. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and go. Krishna Sakha mil gaye gwalan jab तीरथ पीरथ घर
देख लियो तब ग्वाल के
कान्हे
चढ़ माखन
उतार लियो झट खाए गयो
टटकी
मटकी झटकी पटकी और दूध पी के बिखेर दियो
तब
पकड़ लियो.
राधा ने जब तक ग्वाल ग्वाल सब
Thank you, Ruchika ma'am.
किट
Thei ta thei ta thei.
खाली
Kit thei ta thei ta thei.
खाली किट
Thei ta thei ta thei tha. Thanks to all those who are commenting. Thank you. I hope it's clear. This much is clear to you all, and you all are doing together with us. I hope. Those who are doing can send the thumbs. We are doing, right? We are doing and send the thumbs so that I can know that who else are doing with us. You can send the thumbs that we are doing. Thank you, Sanchika. Thank you, Surbhi ma'am. Okay, you all are doing. Okay. Okay, fine. So, what we were doing, it thai, ta thai. Then, kit thai, ta thai. Kit thai, ta thai. Remember, it's kit thai, ta thai. Not tit, kit. Ka, eat, kit. Okay? It's like 1, 2, 3. Start. Kit thai, ta thai. Kit thai, ta thai. Kit thai, ta thai tha. Okay? And now kit thai, ta thai. So it begins with 1, 2, 3, start. Kit thai, ta thai. We are taking one round only because you all are beginners and we are teaching the basic priorities. Because so we are taking only one round for you all. Otherwise we take 3 rounds in this. But you all have to take 1 round only. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Kit thai, ta thai. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ha. What do you have to do now? Footsteps are like this. See my footsteps? Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Only 3 steps are there. Right, left, and right. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, start. Hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ha. Again. Watch it carefully. Right, left, and right. Only right, left, and right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go. With the hand movements now. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ha. Now, at last, what do you have to do? I am sitting, and I am making the pose which I am making the beginning. Okay, this one only. Again, kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey, and ha. Last round we are taking. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ha. Again. Now 3 rounds together and ha. So, okay. When the toda or kabik, anything which is completed, we call it sum. Like in maths, we call it sum. That this question is on sum, like some digits. We can say कि वो sum पे आए. अगर sum पे नहीं आए तो पूरा गलत हो गया, right? So in Kathak also it's like that. It's like maths only. कि अगर sum पे नहीं आया तो वो खत्म हो गया. Means वो माना नहीं जाएगा. We are out of that. Okay? So we have to be on sum at any cost. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and go. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. बोलो सर.
Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Kitta, hey, ta, hey, ta, ha.
Is it fine? Now we are doing it from the beginning. Okay? First they will do, then we will do together. I am speaking for you both. Okay? We are maintaining the left arm. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Krishna Satha Mil Jai Valan Jab Tirat Tirat Kar Dekh Liyo Jab Bhaal Tad Makhan Utar Liyo Chat Khai Gayo Tad Ki Mat Ki Chat Ki Tat Dood Pee Ke Bikher Diyo Tab Pakad Liyo राधा ने जब तक ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गयो थे ता थे ता थे किट थे ता थे ता थे किट थे ता थे ता थे धा. Now this is on sum. Okay? Now we will do together. We are doing it together now. Now, you can do one thing. You can speak and I will do. Okay, you can go in front and you can speak. I will do. Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3, start.
Krishna Satha
A bit faster.
Mil Jai Valan Jab Tirat Gar Dekh Liyo Tab Bal ke kaandhe Chad Makhan Utar Liyo Jhat Khai Gayo Tad ki mat ki jhat ki tat ki dood pee ke bikher diyo tab pakad liyo Radha ne jab tak ग्वाल ग्वाल सब भाग गयो किट थई ता खाली किट थई ता खाली किट थई ता धा.
I hope it's clear now. Watch it carefully. We are making the dha like this. Some children make mistakes in this dha. So watch it clear. I hope it's clear now. You all are able to understand and you all have learned this much. I hope, yes, you have learned this much. Is it helpful? Somebody please tell me, is it helpful? Is it going okay? Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'm liking your comments. Okay, Sanchika, you are able to do. Let me know. Teachers are also doing or not? Any teacher who is doing with us? Yes. Okay. So once more we will do. Then after that I will show my part. Okay, my that how an artist perform on the stage. What type of difficulties came? What type of things came? And how we can. Okay. So once more we are doing, and you can learn the wordings also. Okay, it will be more helpful. 1, 2, 3, start. Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, da. कृष्ण सखा मिल गए वाले, जब हीरत पीरत गल देख लिए, तब ढाल के कांधे माथन उतार लियो, झट खाए गयो लड़की लटकी छटकी छटकी, दूर पी के बिखेर दियो, पकड़ लियो राधा ने सब तक, बाल बाल सब भाग गयो, किट थे ता थे ता थे, किट थे ता थे ता थे, किट थे ता थे ता थे धा. Thank you. I hope this much is clear to you all. Now, you just have a look on what I am performing today. It will help you to know the beautification of Kathak and how an artist protects the purity of Indian dance form and makes you attached with a country and religion. So watch it carefully. Till the music plays, they will do one toda, which is like tat tat ram the ta the tat tat ram the ta the tikna dikri thai tat tat e tat tat do tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat dha. 9 drums. Fine. 1, 2. You can come closer to each other. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tat tat ram the ta the tat tat ram the ta the tikna dikri thai tat tat e tat tat do tat tat teen tat tat char tat tat पाँच tat tat छः सात tat tat आठ tat tat dha. Da da din din da again. Din da da din din da. Tat tat ram the ta the tat tat ram the ta the tikna dikri thai tat tat e tat tat do teen tat tat char tat tat पाँच tat tat छः tat tat चार आठ tat tat dha. Dha din din dha dha din din da da din din dha. Thank you, Ritika. Thank you, Ira. You can move. I will call you. So now I'm showing you one small piece of Kathak, which is called Tirvat. That is a combination of Gayan, Vadan and Nritya. Gayan is vocal, Vadan are instruments which we're gonna play like piano, keyboard and tabla, pakhavat and many instruments are there, sitar, like that. Gayan, Vadan and Nritya. Nritya is dance. So it's a combination of 3 things, Gayan, Vadan and Nritya. So I'm showing you one small piece of it.
To our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another.
Ritika, can you please come forward and play the music? I'm going back. Okay?
बाजत मृदङ्ग तिरवट शुभङ्ग गतिले प्रगतो सब संग
I hope you like it. Thank you, Marina ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Ritika. So I hope it's clear now what